Entering inside your jeep. Or you turn your face.
Your jeep. This is jeep. Hello guys, this is jeep. This is motor. Driving is motor. No. Somebody is driving.
The jeep. Down now. Come down from your car. Then you will fall down. You will bring this boy down. Come down now. So we are going to be making Ofe Akwu today. We have our salt, our maggi. We have stockfish, dry fish, and no, this one. So we have scent leaf. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to be using. Washing the apple. Make sure you add salt if you're washing your own. Add salt to it. Add water again. Amanda, add water and wash. Look what one here.
I'll go to your village. I'll go to the village. I'll go to your village. Village, is in our house.
So we are going to be cooking the palm fruit, cooking the firewood so that we can start cooking the palm nut for the Ofe Akwu. We're going to be cooking it in the firewood. Remember, food that is cooked in firewood tastes better. So we are going to allow it to cook for like 30 minutes. So guys, we are trying to cut the stockfish before cooking it so that it will be very easy while cooking. So guys, I will go ahead to add hot water into the fish so that it will be very easy to take the banga and know how far. So we're going to allow it to cook for some minutes. We're going to bring it down. So here is. So we are going to filter it and start the pounding process. So guys, we are pounding. The mortar is too small for the palm nut, but we are going to manage it. I craved for Ofe Akwu the other day. I had to go to one restaurant and buy it. If you see the small thing they put on it, say no, I must prepare it myself and eat it to my satisfaction. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. It's an Easter Sunday. Today is Easter Sunday, so we are going to enjoy this Ofe Akwu with our white rice blended with beans. So I will continue washing it. Just extracted the juice from the nut. This is the juice. So I'll go ahead to wash this one again before I start cooking it. So guys, here's the juice. We are going to allow it to cook and thicken before we start adding other steps. So guys, as you can see, it is boiling. So we'll go ahead to add this particular stockfish. It is going to take time. Let's check on it. So we'll go ahead to add in the fish, onions, and the pepper, and we'll cover it and allow it to continue to cook. So guys, we'll go ahead to add the remaining fish into the juice. This is mangala fish. If you have a protein, you can add any protein of your choice. I'm still going to be adding some boiled eggs and some chicken into the Banga stew. I've really craved for this, so I'm going to eat it to my satisfaction. So guys, I want to add dry pepper to this. Dry pepper. And stir it together. We'll go ahead to open it up. Stir it. Stir. We'll go ahead to open it up. Okay. I'll go ahead to add in the same thing.